Willie says, in the last class, you talked about getting someone to put your credit card on, putting you on their credit card as an authorized user. Can it be more than one person, multiple cards? Yes. So authorized user, that is when you contact your credit card company and you, hey, I want to add my spouse, my daughter, my boyfriend, my business partner, my employee, my grandma. I want to add them to my credit card as an authorized user. What that means is they are authorized to use that credit card. They're not legally required to make the payments. They're just authorized to use it. You, as the credit card holder, you're responsible for the payments. And then many of the credit card companies will then report your credit history with that credit card company to their credit report, instantly increasing their credit score because now your 20 years of credit history shows up on their credit report anywhere from 72 hours to 30 days later. So can you do it multiple times? Yes, there are credit cards that some of them, but I think Capital One is 49 users. And once you hit 50, they close the account. You can't issue any more authorized users. I think Chase is limited to 5 people on there at a time. I know like some of my credit cards, I can only have 5 people on at any time. So can you go out and have 1,000 people add you to their credit cards and have 1,000 credit cards show up on your credit report? Sure. There's no limit on that. It's just there's a limit on how many people you can put on your credit card as an authorized user. And in many cases, you don't even have to have a card sent to them. In fact, we have on our website, we have access to over 5,000 credit cards that I can put you on within a 24-hour notice. And within 24 hours, this card could put on your credit report because we know when they report. It's right on our website where you can go and do this. And there's people that actually make money. This is their livelihood, is they essentially rent their credit cards to us. And then we charge you a fee. We pay them. We take a little bit of profit for doing the paperwork, etc. And now their credit history is on yours. So technically, if you had enough money, we could put you on 5,000 different credit cards over the next 30 days. That'd be extreme. There's no reason to do that, but yes, you could do that. So that question